Hey everyone, it's Naum here. If you're a developer or a freelancer tired of sending 50 proposals and getting only 2 replies, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the exact conversation I used to change discovery calls into science projects. The one that helped me go from cold outreach into clients actually reaching first. Stick around till the end, let's jump in. The first pain point that we need to address is why most pitches fail. Most developers start the call by saying, here is my portfolio, here is my tech stack. And that's the most fastest way to lose the attention of the clients. Clients don't care about your tech stack. They care about their pain and whether you can fix it or not. So the winning pitch starts from them, not you. Step 1 is what I call context and validation. Never assume you understand the brief completely. Instead, summarize what you have heard and ask for confirmation. Because I'm recording with my phone, let me use my mouse as my cell phone.
Hello?
Thanks for meeting today, Mr. Alex. I have reviewed your brief about the project. From what I understand, you're trying to solve X problem because the current setup is causing Y pain point. Is that a fair assessment, Mr. Alex? Or is there any deeper priority I should know about? Why this works? You prove you actually read their brief. You give them a chance to correct you. They feel heard. You gather extra information you can use later in the proposal. Now that you confirm their pain point, you bridge their business problem with your take word. That makes total sense. Usually when I see problem X, it's actually a symptom of unoptimized database queries or fragmented user flows. My approach isn't just to build something that works today. It's to build a system that scales tomorrow. For this project, I am proposing Architecture X because it directly solves your need for speed, security, ease of maintenance without creating a huge long-term tech debt. This is where you translate tech into money. Fewer bugs, fewer lost sales, Mr. Alex, faster load times, higher conversion, clean architecture, which equals to lower future developer costs. Here, you describe the solution, but never explain about how it works under the hood. Instead, focus on what it does for them. So, Mr. Alex, I am proposing a phase 1 launch that focuses on the core features we discussed. This gets you live in 4 weeks, so you can start collecting real user data instead of waiting for months for a perfect build that might need to change anyway. The 4th phase is the most crucial one, and it's where you stop being a commodity developer and act as a consultant for their business. So, Mr. Alex, what sets my process apart is that I don't just ship code and disappear. You get a full documentation and transition package so your team, or it might be future developers, are not locked into me forever. You own the logic, the code structure, and the decisions behind it. I build clean from day 1, so that as your business grows, the software grows with it instead of becoming a liability, Mr. Alex. So guys, for the last phase, never end your pitch with, so what do you think? Instead, propose the next concrete step. So, Mr. Alex, based on our conversation, I can have a formal proposal in your inbox by March 9, 6 p.m. Does that work for you? It will include tiered pricing options, basic, standard, and full scale. Once you review it, we can do a quick 10-minute follow-up to finalize scope and start the date. Does that timeline work for you, Mr. Alex? So for the last bonus, these are my quick tips that I live by. The 70-30 rule, which is let the client talk 70% of the time. And the second one is acknowledge risk upfront. It builds trust within the client. And for the third one that I see most developers struggle with is never give your exact pricing spot during the pitch. Instead, give them some range. So guys, if you want the full word-by-word script, drop pitch in the comment section and I'll drop it in the description box. So hit like if this helped and make sure to share it with your friends, as well as subscribe if you are into freelancing stuff and content creation on tech stuff specifically. And see you in the next week. Peace.